take yourself out.
Ooh, triple to the inside. Do you see that? Oh, a nice tight one around the Joker. Here we go. Slam the door. Slam the door. All right, we got. Here we go. Make it count. Oh, from the high side to the high side. You're gapping. Big roost on the wall. Oh, hold. Gets that. Oh, they're taking each other out. That's what I needed. That's what I needed. That's what I needed.
For the double. I got stomped on right before there.
Almost trip. Let's see if we can maintain this gap. Oh, well, we're going to increase this gap. Oh no, I just blew it. Oh, and I got wizard's fingers. Oh, he reset. From third place, he reset the whole field in his favor almost. Oh, come on, hold on. Let's go. Oh, I thought I was going to make it. I was gonna go to the pit, but we're good. Rolling starts, I guess. It's fine.
Yeah.
Woo! I was trying to cut to the inside, but I missed the braking completely. I was like, oh, we'll just jump the nipple.
Whoa.
Oh, yes!
That was some Starsky and Hutch shit right there.
Oh, get there. Here we go. Yeah, baby. Me too. Oh, blows it! All by himself, not even any real pressure.
That was some dominance there.
Stop, he does 2 laps. You realize that was 2 laps.
It feels like a long time.
It's a long time.
Dude, you're getting caught. We caught you in 2
Dude,
laps.
it's not like anyone goes away.
Oh, I go away, boys.
You're getting all faggy with the cameras on.
Getting icy out.
A little temperature change sometimes. What was that? Oh, but they gave it back. Good job.
I know. I fucking did.
Ooh, that was not good.
Whoa, I got airlifted!
Dude, I just did a Barney.
Oh, you blew it.
I came to a stop and had to back away from the pole. Where are you going? Oh, and I got turned the other way too, back to third.
Something's catching me in that turn, and I think it's the...
Oh!
Actually racing.
I'll catch him again right here.
Dude, I gotta figure that one out. That thing's really.
Oh,
my god, that's a definite catch. That was like tag, heavy petty.
Catch up.
We don't know which way to go. Oh! Just a loose enough. Woo! Very wing high.
What happened to E?
I don't know. I thought I was gonna hit Chuck. That was a really close call.
A front axle?
Yeah, I got one in my Tupperware or in that. Yeah, look at it's by my box.
There's some serious chasing going on.
Like on my bench, it's like either in one of the red drawers, it's all Traxxas parts, or in one of the cubby holes. Were you in front of me, Chuckles?
I didn't. I think my spring just died on my steering wheel.
Mine was doing some weird steering games too.
Like it's got no steering, but it's working. Oh god. It's just dry enough now that all my moves aren't working.
It's pretty tough in the dry. Ooh.
I hope it's something major.
You're overdriving the car, Cole.
Get out of the way! Oh, I was trying to hit him.